Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain what is inheritance in Java and types of inheritance with example. So, what is inheritance? Inheritance is a mechanism of acquiring the properties and methods from one class to another class is nothing but a inheritance. So, in inheritance we have a two types of classes. One is the parent class, another one is the child class. Parent class is nothing but it provides a properties and method to the child class. So child class is nothing but it's acquiring the properties and methods from the super class. So here we are using the extend keyword to make a relation between the parent class and child class. In Java we have a five types of inheritance. One is the single level inheritance, second one is the multi-level inheritance, third one is the multiple inheritance, fourth one is the hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is hybrid inheritance. Coming to the single level inheritance. In single level inheritance, we have a two classes. One is the super class, another one is the subclass. So here the class A is nothing but a super class B is nothing but a subclass of class A. So the class B is getting all the properties and methods of class A. So then coming to the multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance we have a different classes. Here the class A is nothing but a super class of class B. The class B is the subclass of class A. So here the class B is getting all the properties and methods of class A. So here the class C is nothing but a subclass of class B. The sub class B acts as a superclass of class C. So the class C is getting all the properties and methods of class B as well as class A. So here the class B is nothing but a intermediate class. So then coming to the multiple inheritance. In multiple inheritance we have a two super classes. Class A and class B is nothing but a super classes and class C is nothing but a subclass. The class C is getting all the properties and methods of class A and class B. Then coming to the hierarchical inheritance. So in hierarchical inheritance we have only one superclass and two subclass. So here the class B and class C is getting all the properties and methods of class A. Then coming to the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is nothing but a combination of hierarchical inheritance, multiple inheritance and single level inheritance. So here if you observe here we have a class A is nothing but a super class of class B and class C. So here this is nothing but a single level inheritance. So here we have a, if you see here class A is the super class of class B and class C. So this part is nothing but a hierarchical inheritance. So if you observe here class D contains the two super classes class B and class C. So this part is nothing but a multiple inheritance. So the class B and class C is getting all the properties and methods of class A and class D is getting all the properties of class B and class C and as well class A. Now I am going to explain the practical example of inheritance. Just go to Eclipse. So this is my project Java Basics. I am expanding my project. So just expanding Java resources. Here we have a folder called src. Under src we have a package called com.java.javabasics. I am going to create the class. So here I am going to create the account class. So this is the my class account and this is my class account. In this account class I have a one method called deposit. So here I am going to write one system.out.println. I am just printing deposit money. So in this account class we have a one method called deposit. So here we are printing the deposit money. I am going to create a one more class. So this account class is nothing but a parent class. I am going to create a child class of parent class. So here I am going to create a child class saving account. So this is the child class of account class. So here the child class is created. I am going to make a relation between the account class and saving account. Using the extend keyword, we can make the relation between the parent class and child class. So here now the saving account is the subclass of the account class. Here I am going to write a one method withdraw. So here in this withdraw method I am going to write a system.out.println withdraw money. So now I am going to create an object of child class saving account SA equal to new saving account. So this is the object of child class. Using this object I can access parent class method also. So SA dot I want to call the method of account class. So here this deposit is the method of parent class. I am going to access this method in my child class. So here I am going to access child class, and also I am going to call the method of subclass also. So here we have a withdraw method. So here we are calling the two methods. One is from base class method, another from child class method. Now I am going to execute the program, run as, select the Java application. Here we can see the deposit money and withdraw money. This deposit money is coming from parent class of this account class. So here we are accessing. So here we are accessing parent class method, and here we are accessing child class method. So this is nothing but a single level inheritance. Now I am going to create a multi-level inheritance. So multi-level inheritance, we have a one superclass and one subclass, and also we have a one more subclass of class B. Now I am going to create a one more class. Here I am going to create the one more class, current account. So in this current account I am going to take a main method. So here I am going to extend the, so I am going to extend the saving account. So here the current account is nothing but a class C, saving account is nothing but a class B, account is nothing but a class A. Now I can access the like current account access all the methods of class B and class A. Now I am going to access, I am going to create the object of current account CA equal to new. Here I am creating the object of current account class. I am going to access methods of this account class as well as saving class, saving account. First I am going to access the deposit method of account class, and again I am going to access saving account deposit method, sorry, withdraw method. And here in this current account I am going to take one method display, sorry, get money. So this is my method of child class. I am going to write a system.out.println get the money. So I am going to call the get money method also. Now I am going to execute the program run as Java application. So here we can see we are calling the deposit money method from the super class account and withdraw money from subclass of this account class. So this is the here the saving account is the super class of current account. So here we are getting the get the money from this current account. So here we can say that this is nothing but a multi-level inheritance. So here the account class is nothing but a super class and saving account is the subclass of account class and current account is nothing but a subclass of saving account. So here we are creating the object of current class current account and we are accessing the all the methods of saving account and as well as account class. So this is nothing but a multi-level inheritance. Now I am going to explain multiple inheritance. So in multiple inheritance we have a two super classes. Class A and class B are the super classes and class C is the subclass of class A and class B. Generally Java does not support multiple inheritance because so for example class A containing the display method and class B also containing the display method. Whenever we are creating the class C object, I am trying to call the display method. So the compiler getting the ambiguity to call the display method because the display method is containing the class A also containing the display method and class B also containing the display method. So the compiler getting the ambiguity to call the display method. That's why Java does not support multiple inheritance. Now coming to the hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, we have a one superclass A and class B and class C are the subclass of class A. So here the class B can able to access class A properties and methods and as well as class C also access the properties and methods of class A. Now I am going to show you the example. So here I am going to create a class A. So in this class A I am going to write a method called void display. So here I am going to write one system.out.println. Here I am writing the class A. Now I am going to create a one more class B, and in this class I am writing the one method get data. So this is method of class B. In this I am going to write a system.out.println. I am writing the class B. Now I am going to write a one more class here, this containing the class B and class C. So here I am going to create a class C. So here I am going to write a one more method called uh, display. So here I am writing one method called dis. Here I am printing the class C. So here the class B extends the class A and class C also extends the class A because here if you see here the class B and class C extend the class A and both the classes access the class A methods. So here the class C extend the class A and class B also extend the class A. Now I am going to create the test class. Test, I am taking the main method. Here I am going to create the object of class C. class C equal to new class C. So here C dot I'm going to call the class A method. I want to call this display method using this test class or sale class. So here C dot display method of class C. So now I'm going to execute the program run as Java application. Here we can see the class A and class C is calling because so here we are creating the class C object and using this class C object we are able to access the class A method and as well as class C method. Now I am going to create the class B object B equal to new class B. I am going to call the method of parent class method display and B dot I'm going to call the so here the B class is containing the get data method also. Now here through B class object I am able to call the get data method also. If I run this I am able to get the class A and class B also here. Using this class B, we are able to get the class A method of display method and class B of get data method. Suppose if user is trying to call the now I am going to call the B dot this class C method. So class C display method is there. Suppose if you want call this display method, we are getting the compile time error. So here it is showing the compile time error. So here because the class B is no relation existing between the class B and class C. So this is nothing but a hierarchical inheritance. So hybrid inheritance is present we are not using. So this hybrid inheritance is the covering of the hierarchical inheritance, multi-level inheritance and single level inheritance. So friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.